Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your inbox by the person who sent the notification. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to tap on inbox, and then in the inbox at the top we find filters. If you tap on filters, here we can at the top we find from person, and we can tap on that, and here we can add the name or email address of the person that we want to see the messages that are linked to him. So for example, if we have a colleague that sent us some messages and we want to check them out, we can just enter their name here, and in the inbox we are going to find everything that they sent us. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.